Probably that bolt we just took out, I bet. Oh, look at that. Probably that bolt that we just took out. It was missing.
Mm-hmm.
Probably what goes underneath it, I bet. Yep. Is that the bolt that was missing?
I don't know.
Second one in here. It's a chrome one. I think it's back one that was missing because this is a chrome one. So that chrome bolt's got to come out. So that's where that bracket goes. I don't know why Joe didn't know that.
It's right here. You can ask him.
Get back?
Yeah.
There you go. Wrench. Short extension. This has a titty you can push on to make it work. Keep that.
Titties. Love pushing on
Joe,
those.
why'd you put this bolt in here? It's in the wrong spot.
What? For the,
It's where the exhaust goes.
put that back on?
Might need a longer
You
bolt.
lost your washer.
Might need a longer bolt.
None of us were probably
Boot washer.
none of
It
us
fell in here. Oh, here it is. Ah.
You can get dirty if you keep touching that. If you keep touching that dirty pipe, you can get dirty. Let's see if this fits in better this time. It didn't want to come out last time because of the flange problem. This footboard's in the way too. It took some effort to get this out of here from the pipe for those things in the way over here.
have to bolt the same rear one and the first one.
Not usually.
From the bottom, it goes kind of, oh, the floorboard's killing me.
Front goes in first. Always front first.
I thought they both have to go at the same time. There you go. That's all you need is a little love.
He loves it. He loves this bike.
That was a foam hammer, not a real hammer. You noticed I put those new exhaust gaskets in there too.
That bracket might have to get moved.
Oh, you got no exhaust gaskets?
New ones, he said, new ones.
Oh, new ones. New like in 2001.
No, I don't know how long the exhaust been on there, but probably less than that. I don't think those are the original gaskets. I think they got replaced at least once already.
Oh. You're supposed to replace your gaskets when you put a new pipe?
Maybe, I don't know. We'll find out. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Take him out?
There. Didn't want to fit. Dark in here, can't see. Stud up there, can't see where it's at. Somewhere up in this area. Plans don't want to fit. There it is. When you get in the right spot, it fits right in there. It's just when you're looking in the dark hole, you can't see the spot. And my fingers don't fit in there either. Can you see that?
Yeah, you can see it.
You can see it?
I can see it.
I'm glad somebody can see it, because I sure hell can't see shit.
You're on it.
Yeah, but it's a cross-threaded.
Only about another hour, you'll get it.
Because it went in like sideways, I think. Where's my tool? Joe, what'd you do with my tool?
What?
Nothing.
No, all in that box.
Is that what you're hiding it from me? I think that nut's on there sideways. Maybe not. If it's on sideways, it's going to be threaded on now.
Look at the kitchen. Loaded with boxes.
What? Tatro Machine Shipping Central?
Oh, man.
Nobody's going to steal anything out of that place.
I think
Champion spark plugs in it?
I do?
that's your bedroom down there, right, on the bottom?
Sure. Back of the cab.
Yeah.
That Champion went out of business in like 56.
Champion?
Yeah.
They're out of business?
No, you can still get them. Lawnmowers.
Really?
Yeah. A lot of lawnmowers still take Champion. You get them at Napa and stuff.
Champion's out of business?
I thought they got out of business,
News to me.
yeah. NGK put them under.
Good. That's a good thing. And I'm gonna wiggle these around a little bit, make sure they're going evenly.
New gaskets crushed up good.
Yeah, make sure there's no gaskets in there good. How come this bracket's in the wrong spot?
Oh no. That's not where it goes?
No. Joe, you got the bracket in the wrong spot.
I didn't put it on there. I mentioned to you before you start tightening that down, it's going to have to go the other way.
Play back the video. Did Joe warn you about that or not? I don't know.
Said that bracket wasn't right. Here, Dean, take this, huh? I gotta get going.
What's this?
$80 for the throttle cables.
Okay, thank you, John.
Send you an email later to get a receipt from
Receipt's in the house. You want it?
Talk to you later. No, that.
You got the part numbers?
Huh?
Where's the part numbers?
Yeah, they're both on there still.
Two you used.
Oh, two I use, no.
Well, how do I know which ones you used?
I'll email them to you, I guess.
Okay, that'd be good. All right, thank you. Now, this bracket does not look like it fits there.
Do you think that bracket is stock?
Yes. But what's it go to? I don't know.
It goes to that bolt.
I don't think that pipe's going to fit underneath that vehicle. It's a long ways down. It's going to be a long ways down to get that far down. Well, it was on there because it was on there. So there's no way it wasn't on there. It's just we don't know what that bracket went to. It doesn't appear to have anything else around here to go to. Where's the other one at? I don't see any way in the world it's going to go to that hole. There's no way that bracket's going to go to that hole. I could be wrong, but I don't think it's going to ever go to this hole. And just in case, I'm going to put it back together with the bolt in there. That way I can tell. I'm going to have to come back and loosen it again. Tight. Munchkin's here.
Huh?
Munchkin's here.
Munchkin? Mike? Is that Mike? Oh my God!
See that bolt right there? See that clamp right there? If you move that out of the way,
Ah. Just like that. Just leave it. Just like that.
but what the hell? There's nothing to bolt to down there.
Don't you know they don't have brackets on these?
I don't know what that bracket's supposed to go to, but it doesn't go to anything there. There's nothing for that bracket to go to.
Long time no see, man.
Yeah,
I don't know if you remember me.
I remember you. You got a bigger mustache than I remember.
Yeah.
That's
Okay, we're gonna take that
Good
thing
to
off
see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Watch out, you're on video.
Hello.
You've been warned.
Hi, video. Hello, internet.
Hello, internet.
Now you know your nickname.
What you got there?
So we're gonna make a sleeve for my wheel in there.
Oh, that's his invader.
That's
wheel.
yours.
Yeah, signed
On the Evo?
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. Let's didn't make the spacer long enough, so my bearings set kaput.
Ah. Are they wobbling around in there and just got all chewed up?
Yeah.
Who do you think his bracket goes to?
What?
Who do you think his bracket goes to?
He's working on a piece of art over here.
An Indian.
Who do you think that bracket goes to?
An Indian.
You're an expert, Harley.
Not me.
I'm a Harley mechanic, not an Indian mechanic.
This is basically a Harley.
Yeah.
Same thing. I'm trying to figure out where that goes to.
I don't know. I think you got enough resistance here. It'll just stay on.
It fits pretty good right like that.
Yeah, just leave it like that.
Does that look like a genuine bracket to you?
No.
No.
Does it line up with the tranny in the back at all?
Looks like it came out of my junk
It's
bin.
way below the bolt hole, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty far below the bolt hole.
Okay, so it doesn't go there. So,
Oh, look.
What?
Just put a bolt straight through the pipe.
Over there?
Yeah.
No, it's too short for that.
Yeah, but if you got a longer
make a
bolt
bolt,
and
you
then a
make a
space,
spacer.
or yeah, a longer bolt and like a spacer right here, a sleeve,
And this
kind of
exhaust
similar
pipe
to
wasn't-
that.
And this exhaust pipe wasn't eating on the damn tranny, like it is.
How
You
long
don't
you
think
been back
Indian
for?
made their stuff not fit, do you?
I've been back for a few months.
Okay.
Do you
Yeah.
think Indian made their stuff not fit like Harley?
I don't know. Maybe.
Well, because they know artists like you have your special tools that you like to use. What's that? He's not going to show us.
That's a precision.
Yeah, there we go. I knew it.
It's a precision exhaust
Doesn't want to go down anymore.
aligner.
It does flatten the pipe out. They did flatten the pipe out when I did that, though.
That's good.
Not really. That's flatten it right now. That's where the clamp goes. That shows you how much pressure I put on it. Flatten the pipe right out there.
Did you ever finish that your buddy's bike? What was his name? I came over to his house that one time.
Yeah, I don't think that's going to fit there.
Luca?
Yeah.
Was it Luca?
Yeah.
Which bike?
I think it was like it was either like a big crate motor Evo or like maybe a Twinkie, like an early Twinkie. I don't remember.
The short answer is no. He's had about 5 billion other bikes since then. He's got a shop in Mimosa now.
Oh, what?
Yeah, Tatro goes over there all the time. They're like partners,
I go visit my parts.
business partners over there.
No, I just visit my parts.
Yeah, he visits his parts that he's selling at the.
I like this tool out self holes there for me.
I like that.
Yeah, he
What's the shop called?
Gastown Garage.
Gastown.
It's right next to there's a tire shop. It's on El Cajon Boulevard.
Next to a taco shop.
Is it a taco shop?
Is that what you said?
Tire shop.
Tire shop.
tires.
It'd
Same
be cool if it
thing.
was next to a taco shop.
I know.
I didn't know it was
I
next to a
miss
taco
your
shop. That's
old place. It was next to that restaurant.
Oh, on Imperial.
What was it called?
Also,
Paisa. Yeah.
I never
right
ate
next to the
there.
tortilla factory where they made all the tortillas.
I know, and sometimes I'd get the like a thing of guac hanging out. I'd sit outside. Remember
Dude,
that?
they turned that place into like a coffee shop.
I know.
I think it's funny every time I drive by it. It's all like
So nice.
it's all nice. It's like a hipster barber shop and a coffee shop now. I'm like,
It's so pretty.
I'm like, what is this shit?
That Harley shop. Where the Harley guy?
But you know, they probably still got that frickin' cockroach tree outside.
Yeah.
You ever see that where like the millions of roaches would come out at dusk out of that tree? They'd swarm around and then they just go back up into the tree.